So, a quick SEO review of cut price insulation. So, this is the site it's segmented really well into different types of insulation, subcategories of those as well, different sizes, exactly what you want. 25 mil, just segmenting the products into as many categories as possible, where they're obviously differentiated. None of the products in categories should not be duplicates. That's something to always check. I've got some really nice internal linking. It's actually got the number of the products in the H1 as well, which you don't see on many sites, but I think it's quite useful. There's no real downside to that. Um, One thing I did notice is the PIR category doesn't have a link, so that's possibly just for UX. That's something that I'd look at adding in. If you've got any links in your main navigation that don't go to a page, then that's potential for a new page, obviously. And if there's potential for cannibalization, link it to the broadest subcategory as well. What else did I notice? Oh, the page isn't refreshing, so that's something to look into. Something went wrong. We're back. So what else? I really like these value propositions in the banner. Free delivery over 400 colours now, next day availability. One thing that I would change is if you click into a collection, the banner changes quite a bit. Well, especially on this one, so like pitch roofed insulation as a entry point. If someone's Googling pitch roof insulation, they land on this. That's great, but these value propositions are gone. So I'd keep the banner on all the collection pages so they know that it's free delivery over a certain amount and all that sort of stuff, and on the product pages. We've got delivery down here. It's a really, really good selling point. But in general, the site is segmented really well into lots of collections. It might be an example where there's only two different types of flooring boards. So is this collection actually necessary due to the number of SKUs? It could well be. Um, it seems to be a little bit bare, this collection page. So that's something that I'd look to add some above the fold copy to explaining the types of flooring boards they stock, how they can be used, that sort of thing. So it's quite a high ticket product as well. It comes in pallets of 80. That's another thing to mention. Is anything else sort of jumping out? Good to have the delivery in there for UX as well. We've not really got an about us or contact page in there. Main navigation, that's something that I look into as well. And yeah, I mean, this feature with the, just to mention again, this feature with the number of products in the collection heading, really positive for UX. I'm a big fan of that.